Next up, jets and marks. In this, we need to confirm the existence and position of a military jet times 3 in Fort Nerith. This is a super simple mission, and you'll need to bring with you 3 trackers, which you should get by accepting the mission. Bringing these 3 trackers, you'll head all the way across to Fort Nerith on the far southwest side of the map over here. Zooming in roughly right about here is where you'll need to go, and you should already see one of the planes marked on the map. It's super simple. Just bring the 3 trackers here and be prepared for all of the enemy AI in the area, as they are well armored and very angry. Though of course you already know this. So this area is the underground hangars. It'll be marked on your map as soon as you come here, but pushing around here, you'll eventually see the first jet on the, south side over here, and you should be able to just come over here and mark it right about exactly over here where I am, which is pretty much the center. Dealing with the rest of the AI, it's pretty much the bottom center of 127, 144. Then the next one is just over here to the north inside of this covered hangar, which is pretty much the top center of, once again, 127, 144. Then we'll need to head further west, and just over here, you should see the third one sticking out of this hangar over here. What you need to do is run up to all 3 of these and hit F to place your tracker on each of them. So this final one is over here, and it is all the way in the top right-hand corner of 127, 143. Once you've marked all 3 of these, you're pretty much done. Head back to base, and that's it for jets and marks for Banshee. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.